What's up, guys? Welcome back to LJ Gamers. Today I'm here with my cousin Mason.
Yo, what's up?
And we are going to be playing Flee the Facility. And if you don't know how to play Flee the Facility, there's a team, and the max of players for the team is 4, and 1 beast. There's always going to be 1 beast. And you have to try to escape the facility without the beast trapping you in his capsules and getting frozen. And of course, I'm the beast.
And the survivors have to hack the computers.
And I'm the beast.
I'm a survivor.
Bro, this would be a great thumbnail. Like, look at that. Okay, I am coming for you.
I'm a survivor. I'm not give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm nowhere to find.
Mason, can you like not?
Why?
Have you ever heard of copyright?
What? They're not gonna copyright us.
You don't know that.
Jackson, do you think YouTube actually knows us? I think not.
I keep forgetting I can't crawl as the beast.
Seems legit.
Okay, there's nobody in that little pocket.
I wish they could see that. I just like shook my screen and had a seizure.
Mason will die today.
I'm just gonna juke you out for days. Or I could just hide in this closet.
What?
I'm a survivor.
I know you're in this room. Because I hear the heartbeat on your computer.
What do you mean? I'm not in that room. What do you mean, brother?
I give up on you. You're a failure.
We can talk this out. This game isn't. We don't have to be enemies in this game. We can talk it out and have a good relationship. We don't have to be enemies, okay?
I need to be enemies.
We'll work out your anger issues because I know you're the beast, so you must have anger issues. We can talk about this, okay? We can be friends.
Where did you get that from? I think I know where you got that from.
Just put the hammer down. We can be friends. Just put the hammer down.
Oh my gosh, you're referring to Detective Pikachu, aren't you? Mason, I literally just watched that for the first time 5 minutes ago.
I just watched Spider-Man.
I found a computer, but nobody's been hacking it. Where is you? There's 2 computers left? Like, come on. Someone's in here. I can smell it. I can smell it. I feel like I'm going in circles again. Oh! Got him! How did I not get her?
You walked right past me, Jackson, when I was in the big room.
Haha.
I'm gonna escape.
I don't really care at this point because I'm a goofy goober.
Right, burn it in there. No, do I really want to save this girl? Do I really want to save this girl?
Yes, you do.
Do I really want to save her? I mean, do I care about her? No. But a nice oh God.
No, you escaped.
Oh, I thought that was the beast. Someone was chasing me. I thought it was the beast.
Oh, you were wait, no, there's 2 people still. I bet some are coming to save you. Dun, 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 dun. I'm a goofy goober.
I shook my head so hard my headphones fell off.
Oh yeah, got to. Oh yeah, got to.
Jackson, I shook my head so hard headphones fell off.
Noise. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna have to end it there. So, if you want to check out Mason's channel, Random Awesomeness, I'll put the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big fat like. And we'll see you next time. Bye.